Chapter 5, Wrapper Class and Math Class. Math Class. Math Class has built-in static methods that are very useful in doing mathematical calculations. They are static methods, so there's no need to create math object to use these methods. Simply put the class name math, followed by a dot, then the method name or the variable name. Absolute method returns an absolute value. Plug in -1 as the method parameter and print it. What is the result from running this code segment? Square root method returns the square root value of given parameter. Plug in 16 as the method parameter and print it. What is the result from running this code segment? The power method gives base raised to a power. Plug in base and power as the method parameter and print it. What is the result from running this code segment? Math.pow always returns a double. 2 to the power of 3 is 8.0. There are also static variables in math class. Math.py is one of them. Static variables are written in all caps. Put class math followed by dot, uppercase P, and uppercase I.